In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use custom first-last name in Brevo. To get started, sign into your Brevo account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. What we are going to do is create custom contact attributes for first name and last name. These attributes let Brevo store a contact's name in separate fields, which is helpful for keeping your list organized and for using personalized details later when you build emails. First, look to the left sidebar and click Contacts. This takes you to the area where Brevo manages your audience data. From here, find and click Settings. Settings is where you control how contact information is structured and stored in your account. Inside Settings, click Contact Attributes. This section is important because attributes are the fields attached to each contact, like email address, phone number, or any custom data you want to track. Since we want Brevo to recognize first and last names as separate pieces of information, we need to add 2 new attributes. Next, click the option labeled Plus, Add a New Attribute. This opens the form where you define a new field. In the attribute name box, enter first name in all capital letters. Using all caps here matters because many setups and templates expect this exact format, and it helps you stay consistent across your account. After typing first name, select text as the attribute type. Text is the right choice because names are stored as words, not numbers or dates. Now repeat that same process to create the last name field. Add another new attribute, enter last name in all capital letters, and again choose text. Take your time and double-check spelling, because an extra space or a different format can cause confusion later when you try to use these fields. Once you have both first name and last name added and set to text, click OK to save your changes. After saving, these attributes will be available on your contact records so you can populate them when adding or importing contacts. That covers everything you need to know.